Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Open the glove box and empty it out. On the left side is the glove box damper. Reach in there and push it forward and it disengages. Now just squeeze both sides of the glove box inwards and lower it down. You can then pull it right off the hinges. This is the cabin air filter. There's a tab on each side. Squeeze them and pull it out. The filter tray will run into the left side of the glove box opening, so you just have to pull it to the right a little bit and then it comes out. So take the filter out of the tray and throw it out. Get your new filter and take note of where it says airflow direction. The airflow goes down, so you want this arrow pointing down. So in this case, this will be upside down. So put it in the tray, and then put it back in the car. Remember to push it to the right to get it to clear the opening. And there it's in. And now just put the glove box back in. Hook it back on the hinges, and push it up. And then don't forget to reconnect the damper on the side. Just bring it down and forward, and hook it on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.